Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you or teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today if you've seen part 1 already, so this is part 2 of part 1, where I made part 1, I made cucumber sauce / tiki sauce, homemade. Okay, so today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make a loaded Greek gyro, or gyro, however you want to pronounce yours. All right, now I'm going to show you what we're going to need. We're going to need some gyro meat or gyro meat, however you want to say it. This is that right here. Mine's already ready to go. You're going to need some pita bread. This is pita bread right here. All right. That pita bread, you're going to need some butter. All right. All right, now we're going to top this stuff off. When we fry this stuff up, we're going to top it off with some onions. This is a white onion, like a whole white onion already diced up. All right. This right here is some butter leaf lettuce, already chopped up. This right here is some tomatoes, chopped up. So if you guys can see that, already chopped up, looking nice and beautiful for you. Now with my tomatoes, I like to put 2 teaspoons of not apple cider, but regular vinegar in mine. All right. Now you're gonna need some cilantro or Italian parsley, or you can use some what's the other one called? I think the other one is called coriander. Okay, you can use either one. Now I got some feta crumble or whatever. All right, that's what this is. And I have some black olives. Now of course all this stuff is optional. You can do whatever you want to do to yours, but this is how I'm gonna hook up mine. It's gonna be loaded. All right, I'm about to throw some bacon up in that joint. So if you guys out there, throw a little bacon in yours. All right, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our bread. We're gonna go warm this up, and then we're gonna get started with our meat. This ain't gonna take that long at all. All right, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Like this. Throw these on here. Probably like 3 of them at a time. I can fit them. This particular one I may not be able to. These are really soft anyway. I ain't gonna be able to fit them all on there. These are pretty big. Alright, all you want to do is just cook them I say about a minute on each side. I'm at medium low. So I'm on this electric stove, so it's on 3. Just going to flip it over. You just warming it up pretty much. It's already cooked. See how soft that is? I can't even get up under there, it's so soft. Let that cook on that side. See how soft that is? Super soft. That's it. Like you ain't really did nothing. More butter on here, and then cook some fries with it. So So you're only going to see probably like 3 of these on here for the thumbnail. I'm cooking 6. And I'd like to thank you guys once again for showing me the love like you do. All I want to do is just bring happiness to people in my cooking. And I know my cooking is really good, so it's up to you to determine if it's good enough for you. But I do know it's really good. Okay guys, we're going to take these off. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and go in here with our meat. Our meat on here. I put as much as I can on here. I got like 2 packs. Now you can also buy the meat at Walmart. I think they have like a kit for like $10 or something like that. I like to do mine like this. I got my meat from my local store here. Guys, from here, that local store will be called Always Brother. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and cook these up so they get a little crispy. And then we'll take them off and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. Okay? So, before I go, it's going to take probably about, because I'm on medium now. I turned it medium for a reason after that bread to get this cooked up. So it's going to take about 2 minutes on each side. Alright, so that you know. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. This meat is finally done. Thank you, Jesus. Got a little smoky in here, so it took me a second. Anyway, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our bread. We're going to come with some lettuce on there. Just like so. This is the tiki sauce, the homemade cucumber / tiki sauce that I made, okay? We're going to take some of that, put some of that in there. Now if you like extra, then you can put a little extra on yours. We're going to take up some of this meat. Let's see how many we're going to take. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 should be enough. Like that. And we're going to come in here with some tomatoes, some onions, and we're going to come in with some cilantro. Should be enough of that. Some black olives, optional, so don't come at me. And some these crumb feathers. Okay. Just crumb them up. Could have did ahead of time, but it should be cool. Like that. If you want to put you some more cucumber sauce on there, you can. We're just going to set this over here, and that's pretty much all you're going to do for that. Okay guys, Alright. This is the gyro. This down so you guys can see. So, one last one. Lettuce. Well, you know what? This one we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to take us some tiki sauce first. Put that on there. Alright. You can fix it however you want to. Put us some lettuce on here. Put some meat. 4 of them bad boys. Let's see what we're gonna go with now. Coming with some cilantro. Some onions. Tomatoes. And some olives. Some of this feta. You guys taste this, you're gonna be like, OMG, I promise you. So that's how that one looks. Alright. Get you a bite of that one, guys, right there. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and I'll show you guys how it looks when everything's together. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There's the finished product. Homemade cucumber / tiki sauce. Part 1, part 2. Fully loaded gyro or gyro, however you want to pronounce it. And guys, if you like this recipe, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Let's get cooking.